Hi guys, this video is going to be very simple and very straightforward. Basically, if you want volume in your hair like this, if you want a lot of volume in your hair, watch this video because I'm going to show you 3 techniques for how to blow dry your hair to get serious volume. Right, my hair is now damp, so let's go to stage 1. To start, I always add a heat protect oil, just to protect the hair. You've got to protect the hair as much as possible, especially when you're adding heat from like a blow dryer. So just add about, that's fine. Just rub it all through your hair. I like to position my hair in the way that I'm going to have it styled at the end as I rub it through, so I part it around here. When I style my hair, I always have to use salt spray because my hair is so thick and so stubborn. It's hard to control if I don't use salt spray, and the salt spray just adds so much volume. So before I add the salt spray, I like to add it to dry hair. So first I've got the heat protect in, and now I'm going to roughly dry my hair upwards into the hairstyle that I'm trying to achieve, and then I'll go in and show you the different techniques to get extra volume in your hair. To get the hairstyle I usually go for, like I said, I part it in the way that I want it to sit. So most of this is going this way, this goes the opposite way, and I just blow dry it in the direction that I want it to, sorry about that, in the direction that I want my hair to go. So here you go, this is the rough hairstyle that I tend to go for daily, and I'm very happy with this. So now I'm going to add the salt spray. I'm going to rub it all in quite thoroughly, but to keep the hair in the way that I want it to go. Right, the salt spray is now all in, all applied. I've had to mess my hair up a little bit just to show you this first technique, but let me just show you. Right, this first technique is where you curl the hair. So you leave the front, but you curl the hair and add volume at the back of the hair first. So you curl the hair. Please ignore how weird my hair looks, how weird I look. I know I look like a Karen, but just ignore this, alright? Right, so we've left the front of the hair and focused on the top and the back. So you add volume to the top and the back, and then curl the front and add volume to the front, so the front can sit on the back and the middle and it's not going to all collapse. So now we've done the middle and the back, let's do the front and get it looking normal. So there you go, you want to merge all of the parts together. So you've got the back, you've got the middle, and you've got the front. You want to merge them all together, and it's just gonna, they're all gonna help each other pretty much, and your hair is just gonna stay upright and You're gonna have so much volume. It's pretty cool. Now just look at all of this volume. All of this volume is not going anywhere because all of the parts of your hair are volumized, so it's not falling anywhere. Look at that. Look at all that thick volume. And even if you flat your hair down, it just bounces back up. Right, that was the first technique, and that's the technique that actually takes the longest. The next one is so quick and simple. All you do is blow dry your hair the opposite way to how your hair goes. So my hair goes this way, so I would blow dry it this way. So let me just show you. So you want to blow dry it. Blow dry it the opposite way, so when you blow dry it back the normal way, it's going to be extra high. You're going to have extra volume because the hair is just, it's not going the natural way, so it's going to be a bit, you know, confused even. And then when you go back that way, it's just going to be pushed up. Look at that, in real time. Look at that. Look at the volume it's added. So much extra volume when I already had a load. Look at that. So much volume. Honestly, try that and I'm positive it's going to work for you. Positive. This brings us to the third technique, which is the easiest of all. And let me just show you. All you do is put your head down so your hair falls down. As it's falling down, you just want to blow dry your hair upwards, like this. Honestly, it's as simple as that. You just do that a few times. So do it once, lift up, see what you're looking like, do it again, and then until you're happy, really. It's basically the hair is sort of fighting against gravity, and your hair's trying to go down, but you're pushing it back up, and just trying to train the hair to just stay up and as high as possible, or as high as you like. Yeah, pretty cool, right? And then just to finish, don't forget to lock your hair in place with the cold air. So yeah, you just want to go all over the hair, do the same thing that you've been doing, just with the cold air this time. What it does is it locks your hair in place and your hair won't be going anywhere all day or even for days. The reason I'm making this video is because even 4 years ago, I used to be so frustrated because I'd just do the basic stuff. My hair would be wet, I'd blow dry it, wouldn't blow dry it to the style that I'd want. I'd put stuff in my hair, like products, wouldn't use salt spray, didn't know what it was, and my hair would just flop. I'd never get volume, my hair would look greasy, it wouldn't look dry. I like it when it's like a matte finish. It would look wet and like I'd use gel, you know, like slimy gel. And because of this, I'd use hairspray, shitloads of hairspray. I'd keep my hair up and try and get volume that way, and my hair would be solid. I can't rework it, it will still flop. and it would be terrible. And I did this for years and years and years, and then I finally learnt the techniques, learned exactly how to style my hair, and the confidence I've got from this is huge. That's why I make these videos, because the confidence I get when I look better and do things that work better for me, I feel so much more confident, and just life is just better for me. Like, it may sound weird that your hair looking better can make your life better, but it does for me, so I thought I'll share this and hopefully it helps. If I can help one person, that means a lot to me. So yeah, once it's locked in place, you're good to go. And just let me just say, this is volume. This isn't going anywhere. I haven't even added product yet. That's just salt spray. Salt spray. I haven't added my product yet, and it would still be fine. It would still be fine. But after this, you just simply add your product, whatever product you like to use, and yeah, you're good to go. You're good to go. So yeah, that was the little advice video for you, and I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments what video you'd like to see next and how I can improve, because I'm still new, still trying to build a community here. And yeah, I appreciate anyone that's watched this, and yeah, have a great day.